Hi, I'm Teresa Heredia, winemaker for Gary Farrell Vineyards Winery. I'm going to keep this simple. Black Lives Matter. We've been silent for too long, and for that we're sorry. We've spent the past few days listening, reflecting, and working to understand how we as a winery can have the biggest impact on ending systemic racism and uplifting the Black community and people of color in the wine industry. The first and most important step is to break the silence. We at Gary Farrell Winery stand for equality, diversity, unity, and peace. We must take sustained and continued actions to do our part in dismantling systemic racism and discrimination. The second critically important step is to take concrete actions to facilitate the changes we seek, both in our own community of Sonoma County and within the broader wine community. We've outlined our first actions in a blog post that can be located on our website. We encourage our fellow wine professionals to join us in sustaining this momentum to take a permanent stand against the racial injustices in our industry. Finally, to those of you who are taking a stand and refusing to remain silent, we hear you, we see you, we recognize the struggle, and we stand with you.
Black Lives Matter.
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 Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter.
Black Lives Matter.